Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. Now, as I told you in my last vlog, the one where I visited Duisburg, I was visiting my grandparents in the Ruhrgebiet. And at a point, I decided it was time to go and have a very short but very memorable shopping trip in Dortmund. So my grandma and I took a train to Dortmund and went on a little window shopping spree. We also had to buy a new phone for her, which was also when I got a new phone, which was not planned. But I'm not going to complain. I know I'm very lucky when it comes to things like this. But I know that it makes her happy, so I did not say no when she said, "Isn't that the one you want?" So now I am the happy new owner of a new Samsung phone, the S23 Ultra, and I can already tell you that my photo taking skills or my photo taking abilities is getting better. My photos are getting better, and I also caved in and downloaded Lightroom to edit them. So if you want to see that, go and have a look on Instagram or on Twitter. I should still have a few on those as well, as long as X is still alive. Now, going back to Dortmund. As I said, I spend a lot of my summers in the Ruhrgebiet, and I also spend a lot of my summers going at least once to Dortmund to go shopping. As a teenager, of course, the stores were completely different that I wanted to go to than where I would go shopping now, but there's still the same shops in Dortmund, so that was not a big surprise. The big surprise to me was that Dortmund always felt like a little dirty back then. But as you can tell from the footage, the city itself is quite pretty, and the inner city, so the shopping street, has a lot of beautiful old buildings that now have been kept in very good conditions or restructurized to look good. Also, the mall I filmed is completely new. It did not exist back then. And this old building is just, it's beautiful. And you can see the church and you can see a lot of different things. So Dortmund definitely hit home when I visited there. And it was a lot of fun walking around with my grandma and seeing all the old things and the new things and the slightly sad things, because the last street we went through once had a lot of cool shops. It had all the alternative shops, it had all the rockabilly stores and the hippie stores, and sadly those are all gone, which made me a little bit sad. But cities change, tastes change, so you can't do anything about that. So I'm going to leave you with the footage first of Dortmund, and afterwards the music will stop and you can enjoy my little walk through the part of the Ruhrgebiet where my grandparents live and through nature, because even though the Ruhrgebiet has a lot of industry and a lot of things like that, it also does have beautiful nature. And I was able to climb a little hill. I think we can call it a hill. It's not a mountain. It's definitely not a mountain, but I was winded. But yeah, you can enjoy a little bit of nature, a lot of sunshine, and the beautiful view from that hill. So I hope you enjoy it. and here you can see the beautiful view with all of the things you could see from this little hill. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to leave you with the last few minutes of mountain view and me sketching on my new phone. And I really hope you did enjoy this one. I hope you will stay for the next one. And I want to remind you to please, please, please like, share, comment, subscribe, so we can grow this little weird travel thing that I'm doing even more. Until the next vlog, stay healthy, and I'm going to leave you with this beautiful view and a heartfelt bye.